Hi there, I am back with the brand growth idea number 26, that is engage and empower the stakeholders. COVID-19 did not spare anyone, and I'm sure you must be knowing, or let me just tell you an amazing fact about Shopify, which was one of the first companies to announce that they are going work from home till December 2020. And then not only they increased the time span of work from home, but they also released a stipend of $1,000 to each employee's account, which was issued and released with the notification that everybody should buy the necessary stuff to make their work from home a successful stint, so that the employees are not coming up with the reasons or lack of resources in their performances. So that's how they empowered their stakeholders, also instilled the faith in among the employees as well as among the outside stakeholders or the clients, that they are very much into business and they are actually ready to perform without any lacunas or excuses of the work from home. So that's how the empowering the stakeholders actually work in favor of your brand. To talk about 30th Feb, like my own venture, how did we work towards it? We announced work from home a week before the actual lockdown happened in India. The idea was to actually coach the employees to work, to help them see how they can work on the project management systems, how the coordination can be built, how they can be more inclined on working from home and video calls, Zoom calls, etc., and to actually make the codependency more virtual than the physical atmosphere which we were offering at home. Other than that, we also to help our stakeholders which were actually cutting down on the work, which were thinking that branding would be difficult in this difficult time, we announced an unusual rate card for the unusual times of 2020. That's how we named it, to help the small business owners and the solopreneurs who have been reaching out to us and who were almost there to sign the contract but were hesitating due to the COVID times and the anxiety around it. So that's how we help the stakeholders empower themselves. Similarly, in terms of employees, we provided them the resources. The first 1 week actually worked in our favor, and we told them to test the availability of resources and the kind of hardware or software support that they would be needing from the company side. So we made it all resourceful so that the employees are at least not not stuck on the operational level. And that's how the entire brand performance could be achieved, and we could perform without any grievances from the client end or without any gaps in our performance. So that's a very important brand growth idea, that you need to empower your stakeholders and you need to keep it rolling. That's where your brand and the stakeholders grow mutually, and it certainly reflects on your brand image. I will be back with the next brand growth idea soon. Until then, happy branding.